So this is my amaryllis now. She has bloomed 3 flowers and she is just so beautiful. Here is the ribeye steak marinating away in the Dale's marinade. If you haven't tried that marinade, you must. And then the cheesy green bean dish that is oh so yummy. Lots of cheese, lots of eggs, lots of green beans. I usually do this with broccoli, but I decided to try it with green beans and it turned out amazing. Just look at all that cheese. And this is the steak grilled and finished and put on a plate with a loaded baked potato, sour cream. I love sour cream on my potato. And cheese, of course. A little salt and pepper. So we grilled early because it was really frigid outside, and so we tried to grill while the sun was out. And I just set the camera up and I decided to film while I was cleaning the kitchen up after dinner. And one of my favorite things is waking up in the morning to a clean kitchen. I do not like to leave dishes in the sink for the morning. Of course I have, but I try to keep my kitchen clean and I try to clean it before I go to bed. And it was early. It was an early dinner tonight, so I was able to really give my kitchen a good cleaning and get everything dried and put away. And this was my one of my vegetable savers. It keeps that I had my green beans in actually, and it keeps them from going bad sooner than later. And these are some really handy containers and I really like them a lot. I use my food saver and food save a lot with the bags. And there's my strainer that it goes over the sink. You've seen me use it a dozen times in all my videos that I do the food prep. And I'm looking at you saying, hey! Those chains over my sink that I made, the green and red chains for Christmas, just make me so happy when I see them. They are just so sweet and so simple, and they relatively didn't cost anything. I had the paper already. So do you like to clean your kitchen before you go to bed, or do you save it for the morning? And do you use your dishwasher, or do you do everything by hand? So when I was raised, we had a dishwasher, but my grandmother did everything by hand. But I love my dishwasher and I use my dishwasher, but there are a lot of things that I do not put in there because I'm just scared that they might ruin faster. So, and I do enjoy washing dishes and looking out my window. When I said my grandmother preferred doing dishes by hand, it was usually by my hand. I washed many dishes after dinner growing up, as I think most kids did. But I enjoy it now as an adult and making everything nice and clean and putting everything away where they're supposed to go. It just makes me happy. And can we just take a moment and appreciate my pink pan? I love pink, and I love my pink pans. They just make me happy too. They make me smile. My pink pans, my Italian coffee maker, my little chains above my window, and clean dishes. And getting ready for Christmas just puts everything in such a happy place in my heart. So after my kitchen is completely clean, I usually set up my oil diffuser in the kitchen and I put in frankincense and lavender and a little bit of lemon. I really enjoy those combinations for the way they smell and also for the benefits of those particular oils that I use. So I am finishing up my kitchen, and also like on the holidays when I have people over, I always tell them, sit and enjoy yourself. You don't have to get up and help me with the dishes, because after everybody goes home, I really do enjoy washing everything and putting everything away and just making my kitchen back to where it's supposed to be. I do. I put a podcast in my ear or I'll listen to a video, and it just is one of my happy places. Make a nice hot cup of tea or a nice hot cup of coffee, and I just enjoy being in my kitchen. I enjoy being a homemaker. I enjoy being a wife and a mother, and I just enjoy being in my kitchen. And so I hope you are enjoying this little part of my video with me just kind of puttering around and cleaning and making things and just making it nice. And what are some of your favorite things that you like to do? Do you like people to help you clean up afterwards, or do you wait till everybody leaves? I actually, I work so hard to host these parties that I don't want to spend a whole lot of time in the kitchen washing the dishes and cleaning up. So I like to wait till everybody leaves and then I can do that. And that's kind of like my time. And like I said, being a homemaker is one of my absolute favorite things. I love, love, love taking care of my home. I always wanted to do it when I was a little girl. I always wanted to be a wife and a mother. I did have career aspirations and other things, but this was my top priority. So here is a peek at my diffuser, and I put it on my stove and I put it over that little placemat I showed you that I bought earlier. Okay, I am at the mall, and I got here really early, but there was still a lot of people there, so it was so hard to record inside. I really wanted to take you inside there, but there were just people like everywhere, and I don't like to record people, especially people I don't know. But I went to the mall and I got I'm finished Christmas shopping, but there were some things I just wanted to look and I found a few more things that I wanted to get. Anyway, so I had fun. I have a lot of fun going by myself. But anyway, I wanted to take you in the mall with me, but it was just so many people there. So I'm just in my car and I'm finished now. I'm gonna go. I need to stop at Kroger real quick and then I'm gonna go home, and I need more boxes. We'll find some boxes. I gotta go. Bye. Okay, so I'm at the Kroger and it looks super busy. I have to park all the way in the back. I park in the back anyway, but the spot I usually park is taken and the whole row is taken. Oh, wish me luck as I go in there. Okay, so I am at Target and it is so busy in there. A lady pulled up next to me in the car and I was waiting for her to get out of her car and she wasn't, so you can't see her though, but I waited and I waited and I waited and I waited and she just sat there. She pulled in right next to me. And so anyway, that's Target right there. So she's still sitting in her car too. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna turn you around maybe. Okay. So I went into Target to get boxes for the gifts I'd gotten, and they didn't have any boxes. I don't like to use gift bags. I like to wrap actual boxes. If you use gift boxes are what I like to use. So okay, so I came to Target to get some gift boxes because I'm out. And apparently Target is out of gift boxes too because they didn't have any. And I don't want to go to another store. I did grab some bags. I don't like to give gifts in bags. That's just me. That's how I've always been. I have done it. Like on occasions I can't. And I thought I'd bought enough boxes, but apparently I did not. So I got some gift bags, and they're pretty, and I'll make them pretty, but I really wish I could have gotten boxes. Oh well, that's okay. That's the worst that happens. I think we're okay, right? This is my favorite sweater, by the way. It's warm and it's freezing. It's Monday and it's so busy. It's like a Saturday, and the lady's still sitting in her car. She just pulled up. I always wonder what people are doing. I'm whispering like she can hear me. Oh my goodness, I need some coffee. I need to go home and get some coffee. All right, I will see you in a little bit. Okay, bye. Okay, so I put it in a glass dish with oranges, and I just thought it looked so cute. It was supposed to be 2 flowers, and I got 3, and then there's a 4th. So I'm so excited. I put the Christmas cactus next to it because I know plants like to have friends. So I'm going to move that. I moved her by the window for a second. But I wanted also to show you these cutie oranges stickers on them. Take a cutie to lunch. Isn't that cute? And then there's another one. I saw another sticker. I left it on because it was so cute. Jingle cutie. Jingle cutie. Oh, those are so cute. Okay, so I'm going to go get my nails done tomorrow. What color? Let me know. Look at that. Look how much they grew. Okay, so back to my amaryllis. It is just so beautiful. If you hear a little tweeting, that is my parrot. She's being sweet and tweety. she's tweeting quietly because she can get super, super loud. I'm sure you've heard her in the back. But she's listening to me talk about my flower. So, okay, it is midday, and a little past midday. It's about 2 o'clock, and I am going to make some coffee. I'm going to make coffee in my smeg because I'm going to make some of my cookie dough that I got from World Market, and I don't have. Oops, puppy dog. Is the mail truck going by? Oh, let's go see. Hold on. Okay, I'm not sure what she was barking at, but everything's good now. The house is protected. So this is the coffee that I'm going to make. Some cookie dough, and I got it from the World Market. And I am kind of tidying up my kitchen from breakfast and lunch, and then I'm going to, I'm pre-prepping dinner. I'm making my rice right now for the chicken and rice casserole. Okay, so the coffee grounds are in the coffee pot. If you could smell this coffee, it is amazing. It smells so good. I'm gonna go see what she's barking at again. Be right back. I have started the coffee. There it goes. This is my favorite little coffee pot. I love it so much. I got it for my birthday. 2 birthdays back, I think. Oh, and Smeg is an Italian brand, and I am Italian. Did you see this mixer? I got this mixer, I want to say, over 30 years ago. And it has not let me down, and it's super light, and it's a Sunbeam Mix Master, and I love it so much. I really do. It has lasted a long time. And when we moved in, there were fruit on the tiles, and I don't like them, so I covered them up. If you guys know of a paint I can use, I'd be really happy. We were supposed to put subway tiles here, and then, you know, things happened and things. My rice is bubbling. In about 10 minutes, it will be done. Okay, so the simple recipes always win in my home. So this is chicken and rice with a white bechamel sauce, and I put some garlic and salt and pepper in it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it with foil, and I'm going to bake it in the oven for a little bit. And then I'm going to my parrot. And then I'm going to saute some broccoli and some mushrooms for a side, and I'm going to make a salad. And I'm thinking I'm going to do a cucumber and tomato salad with some oil and vinegar, and that will be dinner. And so it's easy. I've been wrapping, I've been cleaning, I've been doing laundry, I've been doing all sorts of things. And I was thinking maybe trying to get this up later today, and then maybe another one up by Friday. I was seeing if I can maybe do that. What do you think? Let me know. So, oh, and here's some cherries. I put fruit on the counter for everybody, you know, to eat them as they walk by through the kitchen. And I juice them too. I don't juice the cherries. I guess you could if you got the seed out of them, but Anyway, that is what I'm up to right now. Is I just finished my chicken and rice ensemble, and I will go on to my next adventure. I heard my washing machine stop, so I have to go change that out, and I will see you in a little bit. I am going to end my vlog here, and this is my chicken and rice casserole, my sauteed broccoli and mushrooms, and I sprinkled some bacon on the top. I will see you all soon. Bye!